factorization. Then 15.625. Now try it. 5 into 3.125, then 5 into 5 into 0.625, then 5 into 5 into 5 into 0.125. Now it's easy. This becomes 15 and 0.125. 125 is a cube of what? 5. So 5 over here and 5 over here. But this 5 contains point and 3 places. So divide by 3, that is 1 place. So in cube root it will be 1 place after the point. Okay. So 5 into 0.5, that is 2.5. So cube root of 15.625 is 2.5. Okay. Next is state true or false. First one. 3 numbers are in the ratio 1:2:3 and the sum of the cubes is 4500. Therefore the numbers are 5, 10 and 15. So while solving this, don't go for that bookish method of let the numbers be x, 1x, 2x and 3x. Directly solve it. We know the numbers 5, 10 and 15. So take the cubes of all these. 15 cube is 3375, 10 cube is 1000, 5 cube is 125. Add them. 3375 plus 1000, 4375 plus 125, that is 4500. So the answer is coming out to be true. So this is true. Next, the digit in the units place of for a cube of 4-digit number of the form XYZ8 is 2. Means basically this is a cube of some number and that number's unit place should be 2. Okay. So cube root of XYZ8. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.